Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can automatically adjust the display to show the complete dynamic range of photos on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. And in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Photos. Next, in here, scroll down and then tap on View Full HDR. Make sure the toggle button is switched on. This will allow the phone to automatically adjust the display to show the complete dynamic range of photos. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.